Okay folks, so we got another unboxing video today, and what I have is the Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds new album, Council Skies. And if you look at this right here, it says right there, Council Skies. And what this is the blue vinyl edition. This is supposed to come on Friday, but it didn't. It came today. Amazon's been kind of late with a lot of my packages lately. But what are you gonna do? Okay, so here it is. Here's the front. There's the back with Noel. Here is the track listing. And let's open this. Alright. Got the plastic off. No hype sticker on it, which is interesting. Okay, let's look at the gatefold. All right, so it's just lyrics. Oh, got a bit of plastic there. Now, let's look at the record. It should be blue. Oh, the sleeve has a bit of a thing going on here. So here is the sleeve. Hope beats hate. Nice message. And here is the back of the record sleeve. And now, oh, yeah, this is very blue. And here is the record. Now, I did listen to this a few times via streaming, and it is a very, very good record. But I still don't have a final opinion on it, though it sounds like I just made one, right? Well, anyway, I'm gonna put this on right now, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching.